Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about common financial mistakes that can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. We'll also give you tips on how to avoid these mistakes and make smart financial decisions. Mistake #1. Not having a budget. Having a budget is the foundation of good money management. A budget helps you plan your expenses and track your income. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend, forget about important bills, or neglect saving for important goals like a down payment on a house, a child's education, or a vacation. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income and expenses. Then prioritize your expenses based on their importance and allocate your money accordingly. There are many budgeting apps and tools available that can help you make and stick to your budget. Mistake number 2, carrying credit card balances. Credit card debt is one of the most expensive types of debt. Credit card interest rates can be as high as 20% or more, which means that carrying a balance on your credit card can quickly add up and make it harder to pay off your debt. To avoid credit card debt, try to limit your credit card usage, pay off your balance in full each month, and if you can't pay it off in full, pay more than the minimum payment to reduce your interest charges. Mistake number 3. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies can happen at any time. Whether it's a job loss, a medical bill, or a car repair, having an emergency fund can help you weather the storm and avoid going into debt. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. To build your emergency fund, start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually increase it over time. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account that is easily accessible but not too easily accessible to avoid the temptation to use it for non-emergencies. Mistake number 4. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it also involves risks. Investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can be risky due to market volatility, inflation, or fraud. Before you invest, make sure to research and understand the investment options, seek professional advice if necessary, and diversify your portfolio to minimize your risks. Investing should be done with a long-term perspective, and not as a get-rich-quick scheme. Mistake number 5. Ignoring your retirement savings. Saving for retirement is one of the most important financial goals you can have. Yet many people neglect to save for retirement, or they start too late. The longer you wait to start saving for retirement, the more you will need to save later on to catch up. Start saving for retirement as early as possible, contribute regularly to your employer's retirement plan or individual retirement account (IRA), and monitor your investment's performance over time. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow, and the less you will have to save in the future. In conclusion, making financial mistakes is a common experience for many people, but it doesn't have to be a permanent one. By identifying and avoiding these common mistakes, you can take control of your finances and work towards a secure financial future. Remember to track your expenses, set clear financial goals, avoid debt, and invest wisely. We hope this video has been helpful in highlighting some of the common financial mistakes to avoid. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may find it beneficial. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance, budgeting, investing, and more. And that's it for today's video on common financial mistakes to avoid. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember, managing your finances can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on personal finance, budgeting, investing, and more. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We love to hear from our viewers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.